The commercial cultivation of cannabis, or cannabis farms, has increased massively in the UK, and this is also evident in Staffordshire. Cannabis farms is a term we use to refer to commercial residential premises where cannabis is grown in just a room or a small residential house, or this can indeed be huge industrial premises. With cannabis farms, there are often a number of electrical and safety issues linked to both households and huge warehouses. Often the electrical supply to these premises is tapped straight into the main grid, and that's a huge concern for anyone working in that area. Organised crime groups often sit behind cannabis cultivation, and there are often associated criminal matters of exploitation and human trafficking of those tending to or cultivating the grows. Staffordshire Police has sustained efforts to crack down on the cannabis cultivations and the farms and bring those responsible to justice. Both the public and our partners play an important role in providing intelligence around cannabis grows, and we continue to appeal for information. This can come from a number of sources. There are landlords, letting agents, energy suppliers, and we appeal to all those people to report suspicious activity, as well as those that may be more visible in the day-to-day arena, such as residents on housing estates, refuse collectors, taxi firms and so on. All have a really important part to play in informing us and giving us that intelligence so we can crack down on these organised crime groups. We want to be very clear that we do not welcome cannabis cultivation in Staffordshire. It's very often linked to much more complex and serious crime, including exploitation, and as such we are driving education and awareness as well as an investigation into this issue. If you have any concerns or information relating to cannabis grows, please direct message us on Facebook or Twitter or call 101. Always dial 999 in emergency. Alternatively, any information can be provided anonymously to Crime Stoppers on 0800 555 111.